Adobe Marketing Agent for Microsoft 365 Copilot makes it possible for marketers to plan, personalize, and optimize campaigns directly in Copilot, bringing Adobe's customer experience orchestration to the conversational experience where teams already collaborate. Today's marketing teams operate in shared digital spaces. They align on strategy, review plans, and collaborate across chat and meetings. The Adobe Marketing Agent for Microsoft 365 Copilot meets marketers within their existing workflows, giving them tools to deliver insights, manage audiences, and optimize campaigns right where work happens. Powered by Adobe Experience Platform Agent Orchestrator, the agent coordinates specialized marketing tasks like audience management, journey management, data analysis, and more, all using a brand's customer data in real time and delivering actionable insights, all with human oversight and enterprise-grade governance. Before I start, I just want to mention that all the steps in this demonstration are documented in great detail on the link below on Experience League. Let's start. Here I am in Copilot. Before I can use the Adobe Marketing Agent in Microsoft Copilot, I need to create my custom app. The Adobe Marketing Agent app is currently installed like this and will be available in the Microsoft Agents store at a later stage. The Adobe Marketing Agent uses Microsoft's Agent SDK, which connects using the agent-to-agent protocol to Adobe Experience Platform Agent Orchestrator and makes it possible to render interactive tables, forms, customer journeys, and content previews without leaving the conversational thread. Once the agent is installed, I'll open it in Copilot. The first thing to do here is to sign in using my Adobe account. Once I'm successfully authenticated, I need to copy this code and paste it in the Copilot chat, and then I'll see the context that is currently selected. I need to select a different context, so to do that, I'm going to change the sandbox first and select the one I'd like to use, and then I'll do the same thing for the data view selection. Both selections are very important, as they will influence which insights and data points are being returned. Once the context is set, I'll submit my first prompt, which is intended to get a feeling for purchase trends in the last 4 months. This helps set my baseline understanding of sales. I'm really interested to see how sales for fiber products evolved over the last 4 months, so my next prompt is targeted at understanding the impact of the fiber campaign on sales. The result is this graph, which clearly shows the evolution of sales throughout the last 4 months. For the next campaign, I'd like to understand how to influence the creation of banners and promotions, and I'd like to see if there's a relationship between the customer's preferred genre and their purchase of fiber. First of all, I need to know which field is used in Adobe Experience Platform to collect information about the preferred genre. Let's ask. Okay, this is very helpful. Now I know which field is being used. With that information, I can now start to break down sales by genre, which clearly shows a correlation with the sci-fi genre. So next, I'd like to understand more about the journeys that already exist. I can now see all the journeys. There are a lot of them, but for now I only care about the journeys related to fiber, so I'll filter down the list with a new prompt. The City Signal Fiber Max launch promotion journey is of interest. Let's have a look. So now that I know which journey was used for the previous rollout of fiber, I'd like to get more insights on how that journey performed and where people fell out of the journey. The fallout analysis gives me the data of where people fell out and also presents me with an easy-to-understand explanation as to why this may have happened, along with recommendations on how to fix it. You've now seen the Adobe Marketing Agent with AEP Agent Orchestrator in action with Microsoft 365 Copilot and how the various expert agents are able to fast-track your understanding of your marketing campaigns and personalization, and also how to configure all the elements needed for new campaigns even faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.